Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The Mieti Allah Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria has dismissed claim by plateau-based preachers, Prophet Isa El-Buba, who alleged that Fulani herders are behind most violent attack in the state. The Muslims in Jalingo town of Taraba state have been banned from organizing all forms of wedding party. The wedding party is banned, including Kauyawa Day, Village Day and Ajo parties, during which youths, including young boys and girls, dress in tattered clothes and dance mostly from evening to night. Borno State is facing a worsening malnutrition crisis in 2025, with humanitarian agencies warning of sharp rise in child hunger following the suspensions of food aid by the United Nations World Food Programme (WFP). Since January, Medicine Sans Frontiers (MSF) has treated more than 6,000 severe malnutrition children in Maiduguri. Now in security, the Nigerian Air Force have neutralized several Boko Haram terrorists in multiple operations across Borno and Yobe states, according to military source. The operations were part of sustained efforts to deny Boko Haram terrorists and ISWAP terrorists freedom of actions in the northeast. At least 6 people have died and 3 others are missing following a boat accident in the Garin-Faji area of Sabon Birni local government area of Sokoto State, as a resident flees an attack by suspected bandits at the weekend. The Nigerian police force has destroyed the enclaves of a notorious bandit kingpin Babaro at a Power Hills in Kankara local government area of Katsina State. The precision airstrike carried out between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. on Thursday led to the rescue of 76 kidnapped victims. Now politics. The functional chairman of the African Democratic Congress, Nafiu Bala, has dismissed as fake a resignation letter describing it as a fraudulent creation by desperate political actors. 2027, you will lose 80% of northern votes if you change Shatima, APC forum warns President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Atiku Abubakar has pledged to support whoever emerges as the presidential flag bearer of the African Democratic Congress (ADC) ahead of the 2027 general elections. Kano State targets 10 million registered voters ahead of 2027 general elections. Similarly, 367,000 PBCs uncollected in Kano State, says INEC. Now from the international scene, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has overseen the firing of 2 new air defense missiles. State media reported announcing that the test shows the weapons had superior combat capability. The report on Sunday comes a day before US President Donald Trump met his South Korean counterpart Lee Jae-myung. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky has called on countries in the global south to support diplomatic efforts to push Russians to agree to end its war with Ukraine in a social media post following talks with his South African counterpart Cyril Ramaphosa on Saturday. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.